The AI revolution just got a remix. Meet NeuraNet. Alright folks, let's talk AI. It's everywhere, right? Powering your TikTok feed, trying to write your emails, maybe even judging your questionable late-night snack choices. But here's the kicker. Who's really running the show? Usually it's a handful of tech giants, their algorithms locked away tighter than Fort Knox. What if I told you there's a new kid on the block, a real dark horse ready to flip the script? Enter NeuraNet. This isn't just another crypto project with a fancy name, people. This is about taking AI, that powerful world-changing tech, and giving it back to us. Imagine an AI that's open, transparent, and built by a community. That's the dream NeuraNet is selling, and honestly, I'm listening. NeuraNet wants to be the superhighway for this new kind of AI. Buckle up, it's gonna be a wild ride. Okay, so I threw around this term DAI, Decentralized Artificial Intelligence. Sounds complicated, right? Like something out of a sci-fi movie where the robots have their own blockchain. But here's the deal, it's actually pretty straightforward and honestly revolutionary. Traditional AI, the kind that powers Siri or Alexa, is usually centralized. That means one company owns the code, the data, the whole shebang. They decide what it does, how it learns, and who gets to use it. DEI flips that model on its head. Imagine instead of one chef, you have a global potluck. Thousands of chefs, home cooks, and food enthusiasts all bringing their best dishes, sharing recipes, and even sharing ingredients. That's DAI. It's AI built on decentralized networks like blockchains. This means no single person or company is in control. So we know DAI is the future, or at least a super cool version of it. But how does NeuraNet fit into this picture? What's their secret sauce? Well, NeuraNet is building a decentralized platform specifically designed for AI development and deployment. Think of it as an open marketplace and a supercomputer all rolled into one, powered by blockchain technology. Developers can come onto the NeuraNet platform and access a vast library of AI models, datasets, and tools. They can also contribute their own creations, making them available to the entire network. It's all about breaking down silos and fostering collaboration. That's the NeuraNet vision. Section 4. The internet is buzzing, NeuraNet's hype train, and NURA's market vitals. Alright, let's talk about the vibe, the buzz, the sweet market sentiment. Because in crypto, hype can be half the battle. And NeuraNet? People are talking. Hop on Twitter and you'll see the #NeuraNet and #DEI hashtags buzzing. Reddit threads are dissecting the white paper, debating the DeepMind collab, and speculating on NURA's price. The sentiment is generally leaning bullish, folks. We're seeing scores around 70 to 75% positive on platforms like LunarCrush and Sentiment. That's pretty good for a project still in its growth phase. The community around NeuraNet is growing, active, and passionate. Section 5 to the moon, NeuraNet's growth spurt and potential pitfalls. So can NeuraNet really pull a 5 times or even more? The potential is definitely there. That DeepMind collaboration we talked about, that's not just a fancy logo on a webpage. It opens doors, it attracts talent, it signals to the wider tech world that NeuraNet is a serious contender. But it's not just DeepMind. NeuraNet has been quietly forging other partnerships. They're integrating with decentralized storage solutions like Filecoin and Arweave to ensure AI data is stored securely and resiliently. They're also working with Oracle networks like Chainlink to bring real-world data onto their platform, which is crucial for many AI applications. These integrations are building a powerful, interconnected DEI stack. Think of it like Legos. Section 6. The DEI arena, NeuraNet versus the world, and is it worth your lunch money? NeuraNet isn't the only player in the DEI sandbox. This space is heating up and there are other interesting projects vying for a piece of the decentralized pie. You've got projects like Bitensor, which focuses on creating a decentralized network of machine learning models that can learn from each other. Then there's Fetch.ai, which is building a world of autonomous economic agents, basically AI programs that can perform tasks and transact on your behalf. SingularityNet is another veteran aiming for artificial general intelligence (AGI) through a decentralized marketplace of AI services. Each of these projects has its own unique approach, its own strengths, and its own community. So how does NeuraNet stack up?